I was following number 6 and 8. I said, I'm gonna check you. Then they ran away from me. I'm not gonna eat you guys. I just said, I'm gonna check you.
Okay, you said 6, but who else? I didn't catch that part. Who else were you gonna check?
That's something you forgot to mention too. When yeah, I can speak anymore. There's something you forgot to mention to us. Oh, number one. You also came saying like, I got a bomb, I got a bomb. Yeah, no, stay fuck away from us. Last time my freaking Pokit bought it out, and you tried to guess my role, but you fucked up. So yeah, not this time.
Oh.
My experience with number 1 is that one time I tried to sing with a voice changer on, and then they insulted my singing. So,
What?
yeah.
I just remember someone just
People.
told me
Caleb,
to kill you.
it's okay because I had a voice changer, so I didn't take offense to it.
People be
But,
Six,
you
kind,
I'm
know,
gonna check
that's
you.
please.
that's
Six,
pretty
I'm gonna check
mean.
you. Six. Stay still.
Oh, you did, huh? What crime scene?
Can you, like, actually tell where was the body? Wait, did you found it? Where were you all this time? Why do you just sad emote number 3, sad emote? Why? Okay, I was with number 1 all the time in the chapel in the dark. Then number 4 came to us in the dark. Somehow they just ran by. That's all. And I think 2 started to following them.
Um, number 10. Did you just saw number 3 went from the chapel to the recreation room and 2 was there? I don't know if I am the only one saw number 3 going there.
I just saw four running through patient room from garden, and I actually for I wanna kill you right now for that statement. You say to me your role, or I kill you.
I'm gonna
Yes.
I'm gonna kill 4. I will kill 4 for you, number 10.
Oh,
Should I do that?
but how? But how?
You know, I am the killer. I am the CC. I will do anything for you, number 10. I will do for everything for you, number 10. If you want me to vote
Number.
number 4 right now, I'm gonna vote number 4 for you.
Okay, four is line being their role, but what the fuck? Number one can be a fool, definitely. Like,
No, I already told you my rule. My rule is sucks, actually. I told you my rule. I'm cooked.
but you fooling around with that
I
statements of yours.
I don't know. I love doing this. I don't know. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna kill you, for. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill.
Well, I would like to see if freaking mystery guest give you a bomb. Well, hmm. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah, right now I'm suspecting like four and one and wanted to kill four. But I'm kind of confused about number nine. Uh, I wanted to kill them, but one was pretty close to them. I afraid I kill one. So I waited, and the lights were out. Me and one stayed in the dark. Also, seven were dead, staring at us. But yeah, we survived. So things are good. But nine, who are you? I need legit evidence on what you are.
10, you have to keep some distance between us, all right? 'Cause I was gonna to kill you. 7 just scared me, and I was gonna to kill 7. Anyway, I said, 9, I'm gonna check you. Then 9 ran away from me. 9, you have to wait. I'm gonna check you. Don't run away. I'm gonna check you.
Because you fucking not the sheriff. That's what I mean.
Yeah, because I am the sheriff. And 2 is the other, I don't know. 2
No, you're
is the
not.
hunter.
You're lying. You just fucking lying.
Yeah, I told number 10 about my rule. I am the sheriff. Can I kill 4? And if I die, it's okay. But I'm gonna kill 4.
Okay, I will kill number four. I will kill number four.
No,
If
I
you're
will kill
lying, if
number
you're a
4.
hunter, if you're a hunter, you like better say it. But nah, I'm
I
gonna
am the
kill you.
hunter. I am the
Oh my
hunter.
god. You
I'm
number
the sheriff.
one.
I am the sheriff. Wait, I'm the sheriff. I forgot. I'm the sheriff. I will kill you for. I will kill you. Yeah, me.
Okay, this was not my doing. I was standing in the corner near where four died, but four were alive that time. Someone or something killed them. I don't know. If they're okay, I saw like nine passing by me in the dark from deep dining room direction. Like I don't remember nine being somewhere near me. So I was near power room. They passed by me, decoded cipher with everyone else, I think. One maybe died in the garden or washroom because I left them in the dark. I don't know what happened to them. We were chasing number 4, and someone I think was nearby.
Yeah, no, still not. Still not a pyro. Anyways, yeah, I was going to ask what the hell happened to number 4, but number 10 was just looking around like they maybe saw someone or was looking for someone, so I didn't report it that right away when I saw number 4 body too. Yeah, just waiting for an explanation, but guess I don't know either.
How? How you know this? How you know? Like how? From what? From where? Uh, how you know that? Ah, okay. I really hope we have no conspiracy. 5. I have your favorite role. If it's not 7, I will kill you, number 9. Oh, we never know. Is not like alibi or something. We never know, but I can shoot. Trust 5 this round. We'll fucking kill them. The fuck?
And didn't the seer get voted out?
Yes. Dear what? Five, maybe it's a 5. Are they a fucking locksmith? No.
Oh, there's 9. Oh, okay. I don't know. Why would I hang by you if I know you can kill?
Cause I can share it.
Exactly. Why would I hang by you if I were the enemy? I'd be scared of you. You're very scary. Oh no, 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 please.
One of you is a fucking liar. Oh my fucking god.
If I recall correctly, the orator died in the midst of maybe I think it was like round 2, around there, because I don't think that they were the first to die. I could be wrong. Ooh, Dad, what season is this?
Very good
Dad,
question.
what season is this?
5. Very good
What
question.
season is this? Yeah.
I don't know. Just says family jackass. Yeah, right here.
Oh.
Jackass family feud.
Alright.
Why?
I know I did.
Why?
I'm gonna be honest. I accidentally used shock barrier. Me and Six knew each other's roles, but I was like, as long as you don't box me, I won't sell you out. But it was a good game. You two are great. I can't
Yeah,
turn the
yeah,
screen.
it was a good game. It was a good game.
All right.
Thank you.
I hate him. Pyro. I hope to see you guys again.